presenting a presentation on network security. I will be aided in this effort by my two group fellows, Muhammad Ali and Wakal Ahmed Saif. What is a computer network? A network is a series of points or nodes interconnected by a communication paths. These interconnect with other networks and also contain subnetworks. Typically, mainframes are the backbone of such computer networks. Security. The message of security is essentially its freedom from risk or danger. Or, alternatively, the ability of a system to protect information and system resources with respect to confidentiality and integrity may also be deemed as security. What is network security? Network security is any activity designed to protect the usability and integrity of your network and data. Essentially, how free from risk your network and data are. It includes both hardware and software technologies. It targets a wide variety of threats. It stops them from entering or spreading on your networks, typically by way of viruses. Effective network security manages access to the network. It manages who accesses the network, when, and for what reason. Now, my friend Muhammad Ali will take it from here.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ali and I am going to guide you about the history of network security. During the 1980s, the hackers and crimes were beginning to emerge. Internet became public and many users were using the internet for their businesses and personal works. Internet became public and security concerns were increased tremendously. Importance of network security. Network security is one of the most important aspects to consider when working over the LAN or other method. Network security helps protect your workstations from harmful spyware. Network security infrastructure provides several levels of protection to prevent several malware attacks and to protect identity theft. Effects of network security on society. The social impact of a cyber attack refers to aspects such as social disruption caused to people's daily lives and widespread issues such as anxiety. Today, people pay lots of attention to their security and privacy while using the internet to keep their files and all their privacy intact. Thank you. Now my colleague Waqar Ahmed Saif will take over from here.
Now I will discuss about the network security applications. And ethical application is a type of computer communication protocol designed for transfer of authentication data between two entities. For example, Kerberos. A Kerberos is a network authentication protocol. It is designed to provide strong authentication for client and server application by using secret keys and cryptography. Second one is web security standard. Web security standards mean protecting a website or web application by detecting, preventing, and responding to cyber threats. For example, SSL protocol. A secure socket layer or cryptographic protocol designed to provide communication security over a computer network. Third one is email security, and fourth one is IP security. Now I will discuss about the network security market rate. International market forecasts the cyber security market to grow from USD 152.71 billion in 2018 to USD 248.6 billion by 2023. According to graph, the graph shows the network security market with according to years. Now we'll discuss about the freelancing with network security. Freelancing means that self-employed and hired to work for different companies on particular assignments. By using network security, we can work on it by setting our homes, for example, white hat hackers, etc. Now I will discuss about the freelancing careers in network security. They typically work as cyber security consultants, understand the latest cyber threat strategies and procedures. Pay is typically around 54,000 to 75,000 per rupees per month as a starting job. Thank you, sir. Hopefully, you will enjoy our presentation.